Minsan, konnichiwa, samurai Indians. This is another training day. Let's slowly have our hands inside the cage. Pero nilinaw ng komisyon na hindi nakakayanin kung isasabay ang special elections sa barangay at sa kabilang kabataan elections o BSKD sa darating na October. Kung sa wala ng sapat na panahon para sa pag-aangka, wala rin pondo para rito. Ang katuwag po ito, syempre po yung paglalaan po ng sapat na pondo para po magawa natin ang special elections po. At ang sabi nga po ni Chairman Garcia, kung matutuloy po ng formal na kaibigan ng House of Representatives, nakikinig po kami na kung pwede po isabay sa October. Kundi gawin po natin ito sa December para po makapag-concentrate tayo itong October sa barangay and election. Bakit sa datos ng government, mahigit 300,000 ang regular registered voters. She's not going away, so she's used to the hands near her, so she's not going away. It's a positive sign. I don't know about the other one. So this is Pipa, so the female parakeet. So he's not actually biting. So a bite may be painful, but this one is endearment. So this is a sign of endearment. But all the other one is not doing anything, is not going away. So the green one, that is he is George, is not showing any emotion. But still, it's a positive note today. This is the 6th day. By the way, there is no specific number of days wherein we can train or make the parakeets get used to our presence. It depends on the specific parakeets themselves. So because they have different experiences, they have different phobias, okay, so it really depends. So this sign is now another step upward on the positive direction that we are nearing the full tame birds. Okay, see you again tomorrow for another installment of this taming process. Thank you.